mathematics, the first lesson, rational numbers. In that we are going to learn about how we are going to solve exercise 1.1. In the previous class we already learned the properties of rational numbers. Now by using those properties we are going to solve exercise 1.1. Let us start. In the first exercise, first problem, using appropriate property, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. How we are going to solve this problem? Let us see. Now this is equal to a same numbers. Let us say this one, 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Here in this bunch we are observing 3 by 5. Here one more bunch is there. Here one more bunch. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 bunches are there. In that here we are observing 3 by 5 and here also we are observing 3 by 5. So we will keep it properly first into 1 by 6. This last one 5 by 2 as it is. This indicates associative property. Now observe here, this one I kept properly. Now in this, what is a common fraction? That is 3 by 5 here is there and here also 3 by 5. Now I am going to take common, that is 3 by 5 I am taking common. Here 3 by 5 I kept common. What is remaining? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Now here 3 by 5 I kept outside. What is remaining? 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This minus is for this one. Next, what is the last term? That is 5 by 2. Now this indicates, see here, distributive property. A, let us say B minus C. A into B minus A into C. It is of same kind, so this is distributive property. So this is of your reference. Now after this, now 3 by 5 as it is. Now simplify this one. This plus 5 by 2 as it is. Now what is the LCM? Here LCM is 6. 3 2s are 6, like this. 3 2s are 6. Next 6. 6 1s are 6. This is LCM. Now 2 2s are 4 with minus sign. Now again minus. 1 1s are 1. Now 5, 3 by 5, 6 as it is, plus, is it visible, sir? No? Okay. Yeah. It is not visible. I am going to write up to here, sir. Okay. Now I am going to write here. This is equal to 3 by 5 as it is. Now minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 divided by 6 as it is. Bracket close, plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 5 get cancelled and 3 1s are 3 2s are. What is remaining? Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay. Now this is equal to LCM is 2 because both the denominators are same number. Now whatever the numerator number is there, write as it is. Next this is equal to 4 by 2, this is equal to 2 is the solution. This is the way we are going to solve the problem. Now wherever you find any confusion, you pause the video and observe it. Now one more problem is there, so I am going to give, that is exercise 1.1 first bit second problem. You try it, and any doubts you are getting in the comment box you can reply it. Now a second bit, write the additive inverse of each of the following. What is additive inverse? We already discussed, but through problems one more time we will solve the problem. Let us say 2 by 8. What is the additive inverse? What is the additive inverse? Now the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is, don't write is equal to and answer. That is not a right way in mathematics, because additive inverse we are going to write. So additive inverse is reverse of this, that is minus 2 by 8. What is the meaning of this? Additive inverse, already we discussed that additive inverse means if any two numbers, if we add or subtract, we have to get 0. Now this is 2 by 8 minus 2 by 8 is 0. So 0 is the additive inverse. So reverse order, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now here the additive inverse, second problem, that is 5 by 9, the additive inverse of 5 by 9 is, see, minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So this one, both numerator and denominator are minus symbol. Then how can we write this one? Here one more time I am going to remind that don't write like this, plus 5 by 9. This is wrong way to write. You need to write full statement, that is sentence. So minus 5 by 9, the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9. This is the wrong way to write. That's why I mentioned here very clearly. Now the additive inverse, the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5 is, minus becomes plus 6 as it is, minus becomes plus 5 as it is. Okay. So now this is the way. Now we are going to see the next bit. We are going to see next, we will see third bit, that is verify that minus of minus x is x for x is equal to 11 by 5. And one more problem is there. You have to try that, and I'll teach you this one. Based upon this, you try the second one. Let us say LHS. What is LHS? Minus of minus x. This is equal to minus as it is, minus x as it is. Instead of x, what is there? 11 by 5. 11 by 5. Okay. Now minus into minus, plus 11 by 5. Now what is 11 by 5? 11 by 5 is x. This is our RHS. So LHS become RHS. So you need to prove that LHS becomes RHS. Now in the fourth bit, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Multiplicative inverse means when you, what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13? The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is You have to write the reciprocal of this number, that's all. Minus 13 as it is, but you have to write 1 by minus 13. That means minus 13 by 1 is there. In the reverse order, 1 by minus 13. Reciprocal. Okay. In the same manner, we'll solve this. The reciprocal, not reciprocal, multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 9 is reciprocal, or ulta, I can say that. 9 will be up, 13 will be down, minus as it is. Reciprocal, this number reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of the number. Numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. This is the way you are going to write the multiplicative inverse. Now we'll move to the next bit, that is fifth one. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. We are already aware of the properties, and which property is this numbers belongs to, you have to identify. Let us say first one, minus 4 by 5 into 1, and this is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. Now if you recall your properties, what you learned, it is in this manner. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A. If you are already recall, that is what you learned, rational numbers, properties of rational numbers. In that, A into 1 is equal to 1 into A. Which property it is? Multiplicative identity. I am writing short form. Multiplicative identity, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. A into 1, this is equal to 1 into A, multiplicative identity. Now we'll move this one. Minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7, again this is equal to minus 2 by 7 into 13 by 17. This numbers are same, this and this are same. Recall what you learned, A into B is equal to B into A. It is in this form. The first one is A into 1 is equal to 1 into A. Now this is A into B is equal to B into A, because B are same, A are same. Now this is commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication, because here multiplication is there. If it is here plus, commutative property of addition. Now last one, what is that? Minus 19 by 29 into, again reverse order, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator, that is equal to 1. This is A by B into B by A is equal to, let us say 1. Which property it is? This is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay? Inverse property. So A into B is equal to 1. This is, we can write in this form also. A into B is equal to 1. So this is the way we are going to solve the problem in the